Hello, it's George. Welcome to George Basics. In this video, I want to show you guys how to buy Baby Shark token. It's very easy, guys. Just follow my video step by step. So, first of all, this is a coin market cap, and here you can see the analytics of this new coin. After you make the decision to buy this coin, you can close this app, and then you should go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store. After you make account, you go to your Trustwallet, and then you need to buy Smart Chain BNB, because to buy Baby Shark coin you need to swap Smart Chain BNB. Go to Smart Chain BNB, click buy, and select the amount you want to buy. After you buy Smart Chain BNB, then you need to close this app again and go to your browser. If you don't know how to open this page, you go to search bar, here you type Baby Shark, and here you see Baby Shark token. Then we need to scroll down, and here we see contracts. We need to click this copy icon and copy this contract. Then close browser and go to your Trust Wallet again. In the down menu you can see the apps. Click the apps, scroll down, and open Pancakeswap. Open Pancakeswap, guys, and we need to connect to our Trust Wallet. Click connect in the top right corner and choose Trust Wallet. Here we should select a currency and paste the contract we copied in the browser. And we found this shark coin. Here is our shark. Now we need to select the amount of this Baby Shark coin, swap Smart Chain BNB to it. So guys, this was all. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, you can click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.